so the whole reason I even got this engine was because everyone told me how bad it was. And honestly, the paint sucked. Like, I had to clean all the surfaces off and clean the paint off the piston. I guess some have even been worse to where you can't pull the piston out. They painted it so heavily through the ports. A little acetone took all that paint right off really easy. I mean, just some paper towels and acetone. Um, Other than that, I mean, the inside of this engine was beautiful. The ports were pretty clean. I didn't do anything to this engine. I just cleaned all the paint off all the surfaces. So, anyways, here is one of the break-in runs. This is the second one. It's just a really nice day, so I figured I'd take a video of it going. At the end, I get it up a little bit more than like half throttle, a little over it. But it runs really well. So if that paint has not burned off yet, so it's engine paint. So if you did have it on the piston, you just ran it, I'd imagine it'd bake itself to that piston and pretty screw things up. So I think that's where a lot of people are getting it from. Between the paint, that would probably cause leaking everywheres, and for like between your manifold and stuff, or your pipe, and then the spark plug hole and all that, and everything getting blasted. I don't know. And they did a really shit paint job on it. But anyways, that's just my 2 cents on it. Other than that, if you clean all the surfaces off with acetone, it runs beautiful. I haven't had any problems with it so far. But other than my chain jumping, but that was my own fault because I had it too damn loose. Anyways, alright.
What just happened? No way. I don't know why that would have even jumped. What the?
Alright, so we're going to take this for another break-in run. This is this next quarter tank of gas, roughly. And then I'm going to let it cool down and do it again. But I figured since it's a nice day, might as well take it for a ride and take a video. Alright. See if it'll start without the tank. Here we go. Woo! Well, I took it down here because this sucker is loud. Woo! Anyways, I was dying to see if this paint would burn off any, and it hasn't so far. But, anyways, I figured I'd just take it along for a break-in ride. I'm gonna do that 2 more times and then really open it up and see what it does.